Allah. My name is Fariha. I am 17 years old. I am a student in grade 12 at Zabli Education Center. I am attending at this school in 2008 grade 2. We are six siblings. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My three siblings are going to a school. My sister is Firuza. She is 11 years old. She is in grade 7 at Zabli Education Center. I learned 16 subjects at school. My favorite subjects are biology, computer, and mathematics. My favorite part of school is computer lab. I like to read books and listen to music in my free time. I want to become a doctor when I grow up and serve to my people. Many thanks for your attention.